Hello friends, in this video I am discuss about Anviz VF30 Pro. You know it was first VF30 but it is an upgrade version VF30 Pro. Its fingerprint or a body access control series, the VF30 series, it's actually VF30 series. But it was first and only VF30, but now VF30 Pro. VF30 Pro is a professional device, operating system Linux and PoE and IP connected. Let's see about the feature of the device. VF30 Pro is a new generation standard access control device. Reader equipment with Linux based 1 GHz processor with 2.4 inch TFT LCD screen, flexible PoE and Wi-Fi communication device. It's high speed. You see that VF30 and VF30 Pro, it's matching difference which has been described here. VF30 is matching time 3000 ms. Matching time was 1 second, but VF30 Pro its matching time less than 0.5 second. It's very fast. Let's see for the next answer. It's 1.1 GHz quad CPU, cloud management system, task active fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi based visual communication, and PoE erase installation, LED deep colorful screen, and massive memory capacity 3000, user capacity or card capacity 3000, lock 100,000 lock. You have to use the device and power overall. See, power supported. VF30 Pro supported seamless power cable at 6 or Cat 5 without any depending network performance. This Pro special device compliance with IEEE 802.3F standard providing user low installation cost, simple cabling, and lower maintenance cost. Interface. VF30 Pro comes with not only ECD or IP interface, but it's almost trending interface RS485 to provide the higher flexibility and the multiple installation option for different environment, and also two internal output and one internal reader output. Wow, what a design device! Freedom of infinity. School. VF30 Wi-Fi mode by optional provided with lower installation cost. Simply configure at low maintenance cost. Let's see the specification of the device. Technical specification VF30 Pro. Capacity, fingerprint capacity 3000, card capacity 3000, lock capacity 100,000, interface communication IP RS485 PoE standard, optional Wi-Fi, also with Wi-Fi, ready to output, outdoor sensor. You can use this outdoor sensor, exit button, doorbell, and anti-password insert. Finger, card, and password. You can use 3 options in the device, and identification is speed 0 less than 0.5 second, card reading distance 1 to 5 cm, standard CRT card is supported. Time and attendance module 8, group 16 group, 32 time zone, working code 6 digit, short message 50. You can use 50 short messages. Web server supported, daylight saving supported, voice input supported, Pogba 30 group, and operating software is Anviz VF30 They have made already process operating software management and using system. You can see the video. Channel, hardware, CPU 1 GHz, CPU, touch sensor, and scanning area 12.8 mm. RFID card is structured here. RFID card display 2.88 LCD display. Dimension 18 to 180 to 40 mm only. It's working temperature 62 minus 30 to 60 degree, humidity 20 to 30 degree, standard PoE, and working voltage 12 volt 1 ampere DC, and IP grade IP5. Configure. Let's see the configure of the device. Secondly, you can use this device connected with door lock. Is the door for fingerprint, card, or password, and it's connected with IP. It's connected with PoE, and you can manage this device cross client and use device, enrollment device for others, fingerprint device. And this process is made already a video in this channel. You can see this is very nice device, and use this. You can buy this if you really like the device, or if you really want to buy the device, you can buy from Alibaba, Anviz, Amazon, Walmart, and also AliExpress.com. I will put the link in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question about this device, you can just ask us. I will try to reply you. Thank you for watching this video.